Are you having problems that the Toca Boca World game that it keeps kicking you out and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed the Toca Boca World app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now here on my settings app I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general, as you can see. So we're just going to go to this page now and click on storage. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be basically the exact same thing. Just find storage on your Android. I don't know exactly where it is, but it should be somewhere in settings, of course. And now we're going to swipe up here, click on search for Toca World here and click on it. Click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. And then click on reinstall app. And by the way, sometimes you have to click on it 2 times here, and this shouldn't log you out of your account if you didn't already log out before, of course, just so you know. But just now wait for it to completely update to its latest version, and then when it's done, go back into your app, and now it should hopefully be able to be fixed for you as well.